I'm not French, I'm Indonesian, and my husband is a Finn. They started from petite section, and it's quite difficult for them, but surprisingly, it's very fast. Even it's difficult, but it's very fast for them to follow, and it didn't take long time. Not even like half year for them to understand and started to speak French. So it's quite easy and not difficult. I think it's because the teacher knows how to handle the non-French speaking kids. French education is good. That's why we choose French school. I cannot explain much, but it's like now during COVID, and you see that when COVID just started to hit us, and we thought that this will be like something like unpreparable, and but surprisingly, French school is full of preparation, and with the online system, this e-learning, we were surprised, and it's very good for the kids until now. And one more thing is that like I'm a working mom, so I'm not at home, so the kids study at home, in the class at home, this online school. So sometimes the fiscal will call me when the kids are not in the class, which is good that give me alert to check on them too. Where are you? What are you doing? Why are you not in the class? That's quite good. The school, they are very flexible in terms of payment or other things. They are not like strict, like okay, you cannot do like this, but they are very flexible. But to the kids, yes, they are very disciplined, like they're very strict about it. And then because the community is small here, it's not like very big school, and normally when very big school, you don't get to know many parents, but here the community is small and it's very familiar atmosphere here, and I like it.